Hi, friends. Welcome back to Study with Teacher Camille. Have you ever asked someone, "What are you doing?" Today, we'll learn how to use that question correctly using the present continuous tense. Let's go. What do you hear? Listen to this short dialogue. Hi, Camille. What are you doing? I'm making a YouTube lesson. Did you hear how we ask questions with "Are you doing?" That's the present continuous in action. Why is this useful? When we ask questions like, "Are you cooking?" "Are you studying?" "Are you working?" we are using the present continuous. These questions help us connect, show care, and stay updated. Let's look at the form. Present continuous question form. Let's break it down. Question form: are plus subject plus verb, ing, and then question mark. Examples: Are you eating? Are they playing? Is she reading? Remember, use are with your subject you or we or they. Use is with your subject he, she, or it. Now let's practice. Now I'll show you an activity. I'll ask questions and you answer in your own words. Ready? Let's begin. Are you watching this video? Are you learning English? Are your friends studying now? Pause the video if you need more time. Say your answers out loud. Great job. Useful ing verbs. Here are common action words you can use: studying, cooking, cleaning, working, running, relaxing. Try using them in your own questions. Example: Are you cooking? Are you relaxing today? What did we learn? Let's remember. Use are or is plus subject plus verb ing question mark to form present continuous questions. This helps you talk about what's happening now. Practice makes progress. Challenge time. Your challenge for today: comment down below with your own question in the present continuous form. Example: Are you eating lunch right now? I'll reply to some of your comments. If this lesson helped you, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your classmates and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Study with Teacher Camille, for more fun grammar videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.